Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of QuantConnect.com. So QuantConnect.com is basically an online platform that provides you with a quantitative trading feature that will make it really simple for you. So it powers your quantitative research with a cutting-edge unified API for research and backtesting and live trading on the world's leading algorithmic trading platform. So they're claiming a bold claim that they have a sort of world leading trading platform. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those bold claims. As you can see, from research to production, they do a cloud-based research and they provide you with a portfolio of multi-asset, and that actually is legit. So as you can see, I've tried to search for the reviews of this platform on the Trustpilot website, and it has a 4.0 rating, which is an excellent rating because it is based on 47 reviews. So I think this is pretty much a lot of number to quantify the average reviews about this platform. And as you can see, once I try to reach for the about the reviews of people, they are pretty much satisfied by using their services provided by this QuantConnect platform. So apart from this, the QuantConnect.com domain name was registered back in 2011. So this is a major green signal. Why? Because it has been in market for about 15 plus years. So this is also a really good signal. So in conclusion, I would say, like, this platform, there is no harm in trying out and giving it a shot, and to check if this platform works for you. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.